Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's start of a new trend, plus alt season V2 for meme coins with 2 explosive picks. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randy here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin starting a new trend, plus alt season V2 for memes with 2 very interesting picks. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove and subscribe to the coolest channel on all of YouTube. Now, today, fear and greed, 66 up from yesterday's 57. A little bit less scared today. The overall market up 3%. Bitcoin at 62,660, Ethereum at 29.43, BNB at 590, Solana 148, XRP 50 cents, Toncoin 711, Dogecoin 15 cents, and Cardano 43 cents. Now, Bitcoin, you can see prices breaking above the 21 EMA. Very interesting. Anytime in the bull market you can get Bitcoin below the 21 EMA, this blue line right here is an amazing buy. Now, Bitcoin was getting squeezed between the 21 EMA and the 100-day moving averages green line. The last time they crossed this orange bar pattern is exactly what happened, which predicts price crash down to this volume level support at $51,000. But it appears like price may be breaking through to the upside. However, may not go too far because the last couple times Bitcoin price broke through the 21 EMA, got rejected by this yellow line right here, the 50-day moving average. So definitely worthwhile to keep an eye on. As of right now, that level where the yellow line is, $66,250, is the most significant level, resistance level for Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin breaks past that level, be positioned for new all-time highs. Now, just a reminder where we are in terms of the cycle. If we take a look just at previous all-time highs, again, pre-pump. If we take a look at ETF approval and halving cycle, pre-pump. If we take a look just at halving cycle, pre-pump. If we take a look at 4-year cycles, pre-pump. So all of these saying, hey, we're still early in terms of Bitcoin price pumps. But this indicator right here, with the Bitcoin candlesticks hidden, we can see that the trend wrangler, this yellow line right here, just made a new all-time high, breaking through a previous all-time high. This is usually the start of a new trend, not the end. Take a look. Every single time it broke through there, that was the start of a trend, not the end. And the trend is your friend. And if it rhymes, it's got to be true. Now, on to the next chart. Right now, Bitcoin expansion incoming. Not only do we have a breakout above this downtrend and finding support on there, but also a breakout of the RSI and also a bullish cross of the MACD. All of these suggesting expansion coming for Bitcoin. The bull run is on. The rare indicator recently entered the overbought territory, but no need to worry, as this event Bitcoin takes at least 8 months before topping according to past cycles. So you can see entering overbought territory, this dotted line right here, but it's generally 8 months on average before we reach the cycle top. So suggesting we are very, very likely, very, very early in this cycle, and Bitcoin may be forming a large consolidation just before a huge rally, similar to what we saw in 2017. This blue arrow down right here, if it kicks off the rally, $100,000 could be reached very easily. You can see it looks very, very similar in terms of a setup with 2017. And if we take a look right here, based on this, Bitcoin is following the plan right now, bullish target $112,000. So all these things looking great for Bitcoin, but especially today with Pepe up 20% and some other altcoins up, where could things be headed? Well, altcoin market cap displaying last accumulation opportunity before an explosive rally. Look at this. After this flips green, the ribbons flip green, we have a few red candles right here. We have support on this RSI down here. Very similar to what we saw in 2020, right before alt season took off for massive, massive rally. Looks like we might be in for memes season 2. Don't know if it'll be happening, but I've been saying, hey, this does seem like the cycle of memes, because why buy a token with utility when you could just buy a meme? Now, if we take a look, Doge and Shiba back in 2021, look at this, sideways movement, explosion, triangle consolidation, sideways movement, breaking through, and then taking off massively. Look at this, sideways movement, first explosion, triangle consolidation, same type of thing. Breaking through today. Could we be on the verge of meme season 2? If we are, which meme coins could be ready to take off? How about this one right here? Ponk compared to WIF, both meme coins are on Sol. Ponk is up 18% today, a gift that keeps on giving. I think there's such a decent probability for it to launch like Dog with Hat did. Right now, market cap only at $79 million. Take a look at this. Ascending wedge, same thing here. And then Dog with Hat took off. Ponk could potentially take off. If you want to see, I made a whole video about Ponk a few days ago. You could take a look at that one. Ponk, powered by Solana. Degenerate gambler with anger issues on Solana Network. That sounds like everyone on Solana Network. I guess we are all Ponk, huh? Put on a revolutionary hat. This is what it looks like when you trade with Ponk. But that's only one coin, because there's another coin that might be even more speculative and maybe higher risk, but potentially much higher reward. TechDev here doesn't mess much with memes, but learn not to ignore this accumulation structure regardless of the ticker. We can see it, triangular compression, breakout and expansion. Well, same thing happened for Dimitri here, for Dogecoin right here. And right now looks like a similar setup for Fofar. We can see Fofar, the final Boys Club member to be tokenized on the Ethereum blockchain. Who's Fofar? Part of Matt Fury's Boys Club. Famously known for Pepe the Frog, Fofar gave Landwolf explicit details about his personal body art. Could this be the 1, 420, 69? What other things do you need than those numbers right there? So, that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, come join us on Twitter at TheCryptoLove, and of course, subscribe to the coolest channel ever. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.